If the lengths of two sides of a certain triangle are 5 and 10, what is the length of the third side of the triangle? So the rule in terms of the lengths of our triangle sides is any two sides of a triangle added together must be greater than the length of the third side. So based on this, what do we know? So if this is our value x must be, so 5 plus 10 is 15, so x has to be less than 15. We also know x has to be greater than 10 minus 5, which is 5. Because if, for example, if x were equal to 4, then we would have 5 plus 4 here, which is not greater than 10. So x is between 5 and 15. So we are more limited than you might think to start out. We only have, what, is that nine options or 8 options? I don't know. But based on that, knowing that x has to be between 5 and 15, let's see if we can find out which one of those it is. The perimeter of the triangle is a multiple of 5. So we got a multiple of 5 here. We got a multiple of 5 here. So that means we need a multiple of 5 here as well. And it looks like we only have one that is possible, 10. Remember, x cannot be equal to 5 or 15. It must be greater than 5 and less than 15. So x is equal to 10, and our perimeter is equal to 25, which is a multiple of 5, in case you just want to check that. But so this is actually sufficient. Statement 2, the triangle is isosceles. So what does that mean? So if we know two of our sides, how can our triangle look here? So an isosceles triangle has two sides of the same length, meaning our two possibilities would be something like 10, 10, and 5, or 5, 5, and 10. But remember our rule. The sum of any two sides must be greater than the third. So do we qualify based on our rule for these two triangles? So 10 plus 10 is greater than 5. That's good. 10 plus 5 is greater than 10. That's good. And then 10 plus 5 is greater than 10 here. So this guy checks out. What about this guy? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, which is no good. It has to be greater than 10. So we only have one option here. And note that it is the same value we came up with here. And so each of these statements are sufficient.